So we're now here in, dito ka sa kabila. We're now here in Puerto.
Pwede ko ano?
Hindi, sasakay ako sa'yo. Oo nga, pwede nga no. Tiram tayo? Sasakay ako sa'yo. Well, here in Puerto del Rosario. And our first thing to do is we're going to church. So, I said it would be 20 to 25 to 30 minute walk going to the city center, but it's Sunday today, so everything is closed on Sundays here in Europe. So we decided to just walk around the area. It's cold, but it's manageable, right? It's perfect though. The weather for me is perfect because anyway we'll be walking, so we'll be sweating later on, and it's not that sunny. Nice, no? Clark, what can you say?
Very nice.
That's the ship. Welcome. Benvenido. Welcome. Bienvenido. Ta-da-na-nan. 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 Bienvenuto. Bienvenu. Puerto del Rosario.
Picture mo tayo dyan.
Puerto del Rosario. Puerto del Rosario.
Oo nga.
Pamasyal na tayo.
Sino ba yung ano?
We're going to walk uphill to go to the city center where the church is, and we'll have a view of the ship and the water. When we get up, we'll see our view. Let's check here. Let's check our view here. Ta-da! Nice. Ay, dapat picturean mo ako dito. Was it 10-minute walk? After 10-minute walk? Was it? And we're here in the church. We have to go fast. It's starting now. Church. Anong pangalan? Pangalan ng church? Parokya Nuestra Señora del Rosario.
Ako hindi pa tapos.
On 20th February 1924, the Spanish dictator Primo de Rivera ordered the suspension of the Greek professorship that Don Miguel de Unamuno a Yogo held in Salamanca, as well as his dismissal as vice-chancellor in that university, and sent him into exile in Fuerteventura. Oh, he was sent into exile. He stayed in the island and is living with the Mohereros meant an important change in the culture life of Puerto del Rosario. Influence still remains through his everlasting interpretation of the island identity, and there is a constant recognition to his writer, professor, and philosopher of international stature. Have you taken the video of this one?
Yeah.
So nice.
Lovely.
A walking tour.
Everything is closed right now because it's Sunday.
Kaya yung salamin mo, ano dyan? Sa unahan. Hindi sa maliit, ah. Oh.
Ay lang, hinapin natin yung mark na Puerto del Rosario.
Wala dun.
Hindi, sa baba yun sa may dagat. So we're walking here in Puerto del Rosario. So this is already the city center. We noticed this plant. So unique. I don't know, we call it in the Philippines. No, in Bohol, ipil-ipil. What do you call it in Manila, sweetheart? What do you call it, Manila? This tree doesn't have any leaves anymore. But this one have leaves. We call it this in Bohol, in Bisaya, ipil-ipil. Ha? I-close up mo.
Yung ipil-ipil sa amin, maliliit lang.
Oo nga, dapat nga maliliit, pero sa kanila dito, malalaki. Ay, so i-close up mo. I-close up mo. See, they have bigger one. What's the same? Ipil-ipil yan. Ilapit mo dito.
Ay, kita rin naman.
Ipil-ipil. Ayan, kita.
Kita.
Ito tayo sa may doon. Straight. And go straight. Finally, we've seen a store that's open. It's Fuerteventura. Bienvenido. Let's see what's in here. Okay, shopping for a Fuerteventura t-shirt. Ayun, welcome to Canary Islands. Welcome to Canary Islands. Nakalagay. For a souvenir. What's this? There's no sign. You should see what's behind with this. There's no sign. You have also this one. What's that, sweetheart? Huh? Oh, with all the bottles. No depositar cajas and vases o bolsas puer. You put the cover. Oh, look at the dagat, sweetheart. Gosh. It's a hand carved. Ayun, sabi may mga ano to. Nice. Oh, there you go. We're looking for that sign. Ay, punta tayo sa dagat, sweetheart. Ay, sweetheart. Beach area.
May timer kaya to?
Closer to the beach. He is a viejas fisherman wearing a hat and barefoot. Barefoot pala siya. He carries a palm basket on his back, which is used even today to transport the capture and the fishing tax. The vieja type of parrotfish is very common in the islands. Fresh or dried in the sun. It meant an important complement to the family's diet to the island economy. Still a delight in the cuisine. May viejas pala na isda, sweetheart. Saan
Oo.
kaya yun? Puerto del Rosario. There's a cruise. Wow. I want to go to the beach today. Sa dagat mismo siguro. Look at our background. It's pretty. Sit down. Hi. Look at that. So nice. Anong beach to? Ay, may tao. I really just want to touch the water. Look at that. We're kids over there. Maybe later. I really want to touch it. Pwede pala dyan na lang o diretso na. Malalim. So nice. Dito din tayo si Tark. We'll take a picture here. Whale? Oh yeah. It's a whole bone? Is it a whole?
Yan, well, oh.
Wow.
Inano nila.
Ang galing. Nice.
Kita yan. Kita tayo.
So this one is the bride's whale. The bride's whale, the natural skeleton you are looking at, belongs to a 9-meter long juvenile female, which was weighed about 6,000 kilos. Wow. She was found floating dead on 12 August. Oh, the necropsy revealed that this young female had died of natural causes. Oh. Nakita pala siya dito, sweetheart. Namatay siya.
Alam mo. How's the experience?
So pretty. The beach itself is so pretty. And that's it for our Puerto del Rosario walking tour.
Let's do the round thing.
And we dapat dito sa round. Dapat dito.
Huh?
And we start eating.
1, 2, 3.
I-close up mo. Ano mo yung picture mo? sand.